Hello everybody, I'm back again. So today I am here to show this envelope that I made a nature theme. I guess I'm all into the envelopes right now. And so yeah, I did a nature theme. This is my very first one. I don't think I've done one. I used, oh my goodness, I went blank on the kit. I will look it up and list it on the bottom. I know a lot of people had asked me when I used it on another project. Excuse me. I just can't remember right off the top of my head, but I will list it. It's a very beautiful kit. And so yeah, here we go, guys. So this is the front side where the flap is. I just went ahead and added this label here, and I just added some cheesecloth and some of this lace that I had coffee dyed. I added 2 buttons and one of these little flowers from Craft Supplies for You. And in the little front pocket, I just have these pieces of ephemera, and I think these pieces came from Pink Monarch prints. So those just tuck in there just for quick little notes. And I use jute, which on the it has a journal on the inside, and I use seam binding, but I like the way this works with this kit, so I'm probably gonna take the seam binding on the journal and add this. I just think it looks yummier. And then on this side I went a little different. Yes, I added a book page pocket in there. It's a little different than the ones I normally do. So you've got 1, 2, 3, and then on the back a tuck. So on the front here, I have this journaling card, also from Pink Monarch prints. Now they're kind of snuggy because the journal's in there. So what I'm going to do is flip it over, and I'm going to take out the journal, and we'll look at that one in a bit. That way it'll be easier for my little pockets here. That's what I was afraid of when I did this, but I'm like, I think it would look so cool if I was to add a pocket on the front. You know, because we love little pockets everywhere, you know. I mean, I know I do. And then you got these little pieces here. And then again here, I have a flower from Craft Supplies for You. And I just layered different lace and cheesecloth on the bottom. I stitched on them, and then I just glued the flower on top. Added a little button just to make it pop. And then here is a label from Tracy Fox. And then here on the back, I just have another journaling card. And I just added some of these just different fibers, just so that I could you know, have a little fluff sticking out of there. Excuse me, my goodness, sorry guys. So yeah, I love the owl. I think the owl looks amazing, but I love the way it turned out, guys. I hope you guys do too. I love these little guys over there just being all serious, and yeah, just little bits and pieces, you know, to give that woodland theme. So yeah, enough of the envelope, Patty. Now let's go to the journal. As I said, see, I feel like this doesn't go. I think this will go. So yeah, I'm gonna switch that. But again, I didn't fill it up so much because then it won't be, it'll be too bulky for the journal. I mean, for the envelope. So I just did a bunch of collage in here with just bits and pieces, and then I added this this mushroom that I think it's from Janeybjournals. I think it's from her, if I'm not mistaken. But here again, just did some coffee dyed lace and cheesecloth, and then one of the Tracy Fox labels. This one, I think it's from the Old Design Shop. A little label there that I just added, and then on the back you got one of these specimens, also from Tracy Fox. I love this paper here. I'm not sure where that one came from. I think it comes with this kit, but not 100% sure, because I have a tray where I put all my papers that I use to collage, or, you know, I end up throwing them in there and don't know who's who. But yeah, so inside you got this mushroom here. This page is also from the kit, so you could journal here. Got a little butterfly stamp there. And then on this side we have a little pocket, and this is just a little bit of collaging. This was a little pocket I had made a while back, just out of I'm not sure what kind of paper it is, but it was a roll of paper. I can't remember where I got it from, but I just collaged. This little bird came from a book that I just fussy cut, and then you got this little piece of this is from Pink Monarch Designs. I think they both are. And then here we just have this cute little envelope, and this one came from a bee journal from my porch friends. And then I just have this little journaling card that's just hidden in there. And then I added a ticket so that you could close the little envelope. And then I added another label from the old design shop, and that just pops in there. On the back I just had this journaling card that I had made, and so I finally found it a home. Now here I did collage some paper, because when I coffee dyed this paper, my kids were playing with glittery slime, and a little bit got on the paper, so yeah, I had to cover that. Glitter does not go with Woodland. Some of this I think it's onion paper, onion skin paper. I did a little bit of stamping just to give it a little something. Here's another little pocket. This pocket is from Shabby Dabby Doodah, and again just did some collaging. Bird came out of a book. Just a little label, says spread love, and then again just did a little bit of just different fibers. And then in here, a little tag. This one is from Pink Monarch Designs. No, Pink Monarch Prints. And then this one, I'm not sure, but yeah, this one too. And then on this side, I just, again, you have a lot of space for journaling. Here is, I'm not sure what language that is, but I love the lettering, so yeah, that's in there. See, this paper is the one I used to make that pocket. I just don't know what kind of paper it is. And then here, just this little piece of ephemera, and it's holding this. You can journal there. I just added a little stamp from Shabby Dabby Doodah. On the front, you just have a front little pocket where you just have a tag and this little piece of ephemera. So they just pop there, and then on the back, I have a large tag. So pop that in there. So yeah, I'm having so much fun with envelopes right now. I kind of like the thing that it's a project you could finish in a day, you know. And then space for journaling in here. So yeah, I like that, you know. People with anxiety like me, you know, this is like perfect. I want to do something and finish it. So yeah. I finished it last night, but I was too pooped. I'm like, I do not want to record a video. So yeah, here's just a little label. I'm not sure where that one's from. This is from a label from okay, we'll come back to that. Here I just had this is from a kit, and I just sewed around it, trimmed it to size, and then it's holding these pieces of ephemera, and I think these are from the old design shop. More space for journaling. A little label there, and then another one on this side. And then here I just have this large tag. Whoops. I just have this large tag. Sorry guys if you could hear that noise. It's the dryer. So I need to hurry up because yeah, you guys don't want to hear that rattling stuff. Something's in there. So these are the the pieces of ephemera that are in there. There, just keep that cheesecloth down. This is a little file folder. I'm not sure from what kit it's from, but it's pretty. Yeah, I don't know where this one's from. I can't think off the top of my head. And then here, just a little label. So you have a lot of bits and pieces where you can journal in this little journal. You know, a lot of people love the other one I had shown. And now I have to make 2 more. Sorry, just clear my throat. This is for my porch prints. And then this is a cute little envelope that comes with this kit here. And I just put the word wisdom and then this little label, not sure where that one's from. And then one of the little labels from the old design shop. And then I just added this little tag, I guess. Not sure from what kit though. I want to say it's from Pink Monarch. I've been you know, I've been stuck on her journals. I mean her digis. She has a lot of awesome kits, and yeah, I've been hounding their shop every so often, and boom, there I go, you know. And then here, just little tags and a little journaling card. So those pop in there. Some music sheet. Here's a cute little envelope. This one, I think it's from Artsology. And it just has this little journaling tag from Pink Monarch. And so that one just pops in there. So yeah, I was trying very hard not to add too much bulk. Okay, see here? I need to decorate here. This is too plain, and I just noticed I forgot that. And then you got these pieces here of ephemera. So yeah, whoever purchases this, it will be listed on Etsy. There will be some decoration there. And then here again, space for journaling. And then I have, I think I showed these on Instagram. I love these little strips, and they were the perfect size for this little pocket I made. I know it has a little girl, and this is Woodland, but she's cute. I'm like, I'll cover her, but I couldn't. How cute is she? So yeah, I left her alone. Whoever owns it, if they don't want her, they can cover her. I couldn't cover her. She's just cute. And then we have this little journaling card in here, and then we have this one in the back. So that just hides back there. And then this is the back, just a little bit of stamping. This is some of that paper that came with the kit. So again, you have a lot of space for journaling. But yeah, it's a little simple but really cute journal. So I will list these on my Etsy for anybody that's interested. And I'm sure I will continue to be making more because yeah, I have some custom orders that I need to get to, and they're fun to make. Anyways, I will see you guys on my next video. I'm not sure. I know I need some stuff that I have on my mind that I want to do, but I'm not sure what. But I want to do like a little craft with me. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. So thank you so much for watching. You guys have an amazing rest of the day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. God bless. Bye.